How to delete unwanted pages in Google Docs. Before we can answer this question, we need to find out why there's a page. Pages are added automatically when there's more and more content in your document, right? We never reach the end of the page and then search, oh, where is the add page button? Normally the page just appears again and again. So take a look. I'm here on the page number 5, and if I keep pressing enter, I will reach end of the page, and then they will just add page number 6 automatically. I can even click insert page break, and I jump to page number 7 straight away. Now we got 7 pages. How we can get rid of those pages? If you are not sure what causing the page to appear, the best way is to click view here at the top left and click here show non-printing characters, so hidden characters. Normally you will not see them. Click on that and you will see this is a page break here. If I delete that, I'm back on page number 6, and now I see that somebody, just some crazy folk here, press enter again and again and caused this another page to be created. Alright, so thanks to showing those hidden symbols, we can now see everything: enters, spacebar, page breaks, and we can just delete them when we need to reduce the number of pages. Alright, so keep that in mind. Pages are added automatically in Google Docs by removing some content like page breaks, enters. You can reduce the number of pages, and that's the secret really. And if you are done with it, now I can click view and I can hide all of those special symbols again. And that's it. We just delete 7 pages just by deleting those special symbols. I hope this will be helpful for you. See you in the next tutorial.